So this is a drawing I did of the Montefiore Windmill in Jerusalem, which is by Liberty Bell Park near the Scottish Guest House, the British Consulate, the Begin Center, just a hop, skip, and a jump away. And I've done several drawings of it over the years. This one's dated April 15th, 2010, Montefiore Windmill Study. And I think I did this with one of these kind of like high-tech new fine point permanent ink marker type pens. And it's interesting to me looking at it here because it's almost as if I made the bricks into the almost, well, actually we have several Hebrew letters in there, at least one anyway. And evidently I had deliberated trying to make the, whatever you call these things, it's like a propeller, the windmill, I don't know what to call them, blades, to give it movement. I'll have to do that maybe in a future visit. And I'm trying to decipher my notes here, which I can read it, but I can't quite follow what I was trying to say. It says 3 hours of drawing, and on this third wing, unless you're referring to this one, I imagined what it would be like if it were moving, but the drawing was, dash, or proceeded, comma, in between, as I couldn't quite make up my mind as to keep it completely stationary or give it an inspirational freedom of movement, dash. It looks like it says, hence to me it seems not quite one way or the other, 5:38 p.m. I think this is like I forget what, a train sticker of some sort. So I had it framed in this frame for the last several years in my apartment studio. And then I saw this frame at Goodwill last week. And it took a bit of work, both with construction adhesive and drilling screws and so on, to get it to fit exactly on there. And but I think it makes a much nicer frame like this. And then I added this, which I also screwed on, this piece of kind of gold, I don't know, wood trim, which is very worn, gives it a nice effect. So this continues my love of, I use metal section frames, new and used as needed, but I particularly have a great fondness for artified and arty looking frames of the sort that one sees like in art museums and American English art galleries, like in British English. So there you have it. Montefiore Windmill, April 15th, 2010. It was a little over 6 years ago, just like I pictured it. Yes, indeed.